Hey everyone! In today's video, we're diving deep into the heart of a brewing crisis in southern Africa, particularly focusing on the recent protests and diplomatic tensions surrounding Zimbabwe and Zambia. This is a story of politics, diplomacy, and the voices of the people standing up for their leaders and their rights. Just a few months ago, supporters of Zambian President Hakainde Hichilema took to the streets in a massive protest. Why, you might ask? They were responding to reported death threats against their president, which allegedly came from within Zimbabwe's ruling party, ZANU-PF. This wasn't just a local issue. It escalated quickly, drawing the attention of the Southern African Development Community, or SADC, and making headlines around the world. The tension between these two nations isn't just a bilateral affair. It's a significant concern for regional stability in southern Africa. Both Zambia and Zimbabwe are key members of SADC, and their discord sends ripples across the entire region. The involvement of international bodies and the watchful eyes of global observers have only added to the pressure, highlighting how crucial diplomacy and internal politics are within these regional alliances. Now, fast forward to today, there's a big event on the horizon, the SADC Summit this August in Zimbabwe. And guess what? Zimbabweans are planning protests. They're not just fighting for their democratic rights, they're also demanding accountability and transparency from their leaders, echoing the concerns raised by their Zambian neighbors. This isn't just about one issue or one protest. It's about a larger fight for democratic freedoms, a fight that resonates with many across the continent and around the world. It's about people demanding to realize the aspirations of their forebears who fought against colonialism and for democratic, free, and fair societies. As we watch these events unfold, it's crucial to understand the impact of these movements and the power of collective voice in shaping politics and society. So, stay tuned, stay informed, and most importantly, stay engaged in the discussions that shape our world. That's all for today's deep dive into the Zimbabwe-Zambia crisis. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more updates on this evolving story. See you in the next video.